Good evening, friends. Welcome to Prabhu KB's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products, solutions, and innovative investment strategies. Before we go into the today's discussion, first I want to thank everyone. The rains has receded, and we expect some kind of normalcy to start from tomorrow. There were no rains in Chennai since afternoon, which is a good sign. Of course, there was some power cut and other things in the afternoon that had impacted normal life. Nevertheless, we are slowly getting some confidence that normalcy will restore in 2-3 days time. With that, let's go into today's analysis. First, today is November 11, Thursday, weekly expiry. Bank Nifty closed 1.2% down at 38,560. Nifty closed 17,873.60, which is 0.88% down. In fact, the range that we are given for Nifty and Bank Nifty, we were off the mark. I have to acknowledge, because market is always smarter than any individual. We had expected some technical pullback today, which didn't happen. That's why particularly Bank Nifty we were off the mark. However, Nifty we were reasonably okay. Nevertheless, we'll go into how the market performed today. Banks, every bank was down. HDFC was flat with a downward bias, and IndusInd was also flat, while all other banks, ICICI, Kotak, everything fell anywhere between 1.2% to 1.5%, and SBI fell the maximum by 3%. Financials also, nothing much happened. HDFC, Bajaj Finance, Finserv, everything fell, with Finserv falling by 2.5%. On the NBFC front, Chola and Manappuram fell, while Shriram remained flat. Muthoot jumped by 0.87%. Reliance on the oil and gas, Reliance remained flat. That is why we couldn't see any Nifty movement. Till now, everything was flat. On the IT sector, HCL and TCS, HCL and Wipro fell, while Infy, TCS, Emphasis remained flat, while Mindtree, LTA and LTTS jumped by 1% or 1.5% respectively. That's why, around 60% of the component, there was no movement. That is why we didn't see any Nifty up move, rather Nifty was down. That is the reason. On the IT stocks still has the potential to go up in this month, because I find it is trying to take some support at lower levels. Whereas on the banking front, Axis is below all the DMAs, that is daily moving averages, including 200-day moving average and exponential moving average. All the banks are below the exponential moving average. So banking and financials are very weak, with banking very weak, and IT is sideways, and Reliance is also downward. We'll go to the other sector. On the consumer goods front, Asian Paints, Nestle, Britannia, Hindustan Lever, Bata and PVR all fell, ranging from 1.4% up to PVR, which fell by 3%. ABFRL remained flat, while Berger moved up by 0.5%. We had indicated time to time that Berger is on a significant up move. It reversed from the lower time frames, and it is on an up move. However, it is still below the 200-day moving average, but it has strong potential to go up. Pidilite jumped by 4.5%, while Titan moved up by 1.7% and Trent by 2%. On the metals pack, SAIL fell by 0.8%, while all others remained flat. Jindal, JSW, Tata Steel, Nelco, Vedanta, everything. Hindalco jumped by 0.93%. However, overall metal packs look weak. There is nothing much to say about metals. On the automobile front, M&M jumped by 0.55%, while all others fell, including the TVS Motor and Tata Motors, the two stalwarts of automobiles, fell today. On the others, DLF fell significantly by 4.2% today, Bharti by 0.8% and L&T by 0.95%, while Apollo Hospital, Adani Ports and Polycab remained sideways. In fact, we had indicated Polycab is in a strong up move. Yes, it is in a strong up move. Adani Enterprise and DMart jumped up by 0.55% and 0.7% respectively. Nifty, what is going to happen? What is going to happen for Nifty for next week and tomorrow? Tomorrow, Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty, I expect rising 3 method. There will be some short covering that will happen, which will propel Nifty and Bank Nifty to some up move. However, the overall texture of Nifty, Bank Nifty and various components are weak, and particularly for the month of November, it is going to be sideways with a downward bias. Thank you very much. As always, please subscribe to my video and request your friends and known person to subscribe to my video. Lastly, disclaimer, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you very much.